the one developer who showed us the actual difference between service and studio apartment with their premium luxury service apartment on Sona Road by the name of The Rooms. And this time, with the same aura and concept, they are coming up with their ultra luxurious service apartment, and that is on the most important road of the Gurgaon, that is Dwarka Expressway. Hello friends and welcome back to YouTube channel. My name is Rachit Garg and I am from Address Creators. In the heart of Gurgaon, along with rapidly developing Dwarka Expressway, stands a new landmark of luxury living. Welcome to Central Park, which is located in Sector 104 of Dwarka Expressway. The main reason these sectors are more structured is because of how the properties are planned. Central Park built home with everything in mind, like clean park, clean surroundings and proper roads. They aren't just buildings, they are small, self-sufficient communities. Central Park is coming bang on Dwarka Expressway in 9.5 acres of land bank, जहाँ पे 6 टावर आ रहे हैं, that is a high-rise tower, and the height will be G+39. इसमें जो 6 टावर में से 2 टावर दे आर कमिंग अप विद सर्विस स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट्स, 2 टावर्स जो आ रहे हैं वो 4 BHK आ रहे हैं, 1 टावर इज 3 BHK एंड 1 टावर इज किंग टावर आ रहा है। बस आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ दैट इज फॉर सर्विस अपार्टमेंट। द साइज ऑफ द सर्विस अपार्टमेंट देयर आर 2 साइज, वन इज 960 स्क्वायर फीट, सेकंड वन इज 1050 स्क्वायर फीट। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट। So if I talk about amenities, तो यहाँ पर 2 क्लब हाउस आ रहे हैं. The first one is 30,000 square feet and the second one is 1.5 lakh square feet. जहाँ पे आपको everything indoor and outdoor activities मिलती है. Indoor में मैं बताऊँ आपको स्विमिंग पूल मिलता है, like indoor and outdoor, स्क्वाश कोर्ट से लेकर आपको नेट क्रिकेट से लेकर लॉन टेनिस, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट, you just have to name it, you will get it there in that property. Apart from this, इसमें आपको टॉप पे ऑन द टॉप यू आर गेटिंग द रूफ टेरेस ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे आपको भी यहाँ पे एमेनिटीज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, लाइक आपको ओपन स्पेस दे रहे हैं, स्काई वॉक दे रहे हैं. तो सच काइंड ऑफ एमेनिटीज यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी. So if I talk about connectivity, so this project is bang on Dwarka Expressway, where like if I want to go to airport, hardly 20 minutes drive away, and वहाँ से I can connect to Dwarka also, which is coming to Delhi. Apart from this, I can go to CPR also, जहाँ से मेरे पास multiple options होते हैं for connectivity. Like want to go to NH8, yes I can go. Jaipur, I can go. I want to go to proper enter in Gurgaon, I can go to SPR road. तो यहाँ पे बात करूँ schools, colleges, corporate houses, they all are just nearby, it's a few minutes drive away from this city. Still, this area is growing, but prices are still reasonable and expected to rise it as the infrastructure is completed. This makes a smart choice for the long-term investment. So, what are you waiting for? As price started from 2.90 CR. For more information, please contact me in the given number below, or you can DM me also. So, what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today, and for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.